Ever wondered if you could spice up your life with a dash of jerk seasoning? Well, pack your bags and prep your taste buds. We're about to embark on a whimsical journey to the island of Jamaica. Picture this. You're chilling on the pristine beaches of Negril, the sun's golden rays warming your skin, with a cold red stripe beer in one hand and a spicy beef patty in the other. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold on. You suddenly realize you forgot your sunscreen. Well, there's your first humorous anecdote and travel tip combined. Never underestimate the Jamaican sun. It's like the over-enthusiastic relative who gives bear hugs. It doesn't know when to stop. Jamaica is a land of vibrant culture and natural beauty, a place where the people are as warm as the weather. And speaking of warmth, let's talk about the local cuisine. You've heard of jerk chicken, right? Well, let me tell you, the first time you try it, it's like a dance-off between your taste buds and a habanero pepper. Spoiler alert, the habanero wins. But don't worry, you can always cool down with a refreshing dip in the turquoise waters. Just remember, never turn your back on the Caribbean Sea. It's like that friend who always pushes you into the pool. One minute you're standing on the beach, the next you're doing the backstroke with a surprised starfish. Now, let's talk about transportation. Jamaica offers an array of options, from taxis to buses. But remember, cash is king. It's like going to a magic show. One moment you have a wallet full of bills, the next, poof, it's all gone. But hey, at least you got to your destination, right? In the bustling streets of Kingston or Montego Bay, you might encounter persistent hustlers. Think of them as overly enthusiastic tour guides who forgot to get their license. They mean well, but it's always wise to keep your wits about you. So, you've made it to the end of your Jamaican journey. You've battled the sun, danced with the habanero, swam with starfish, and navigated through a sea of hustlers, all while keeping your cool and maintaining your sense of humor. To sum it all up, remember the 3 S's of Jamaica: sunscreen, spices, and street smarts. With this trifecta, you're all set to enjoy the Jamaican experience. So when life gets a tad too bland, why not spice it up with a trip to Jamaica? Just remember to pack your sunscreen. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.